Hi, and welcome to SimplyLearnStuff. This is part 2 of the most basic text functions found in Excel. In this video, we will be discussing the functions called length and find. The length function is a very unique function that gives you the length of characters within a cell. In this case, you will start the function with an equal sign and typing the word LEN, and then you simply select the text that you want the length of characters from. In this case, we will select the name in column B, close bracket, and press enter. As you can see, it gives us the number 5, which matches the length of the name in cell B2. Do take note, however, even if we add a space behind the name, it will also count spaces when calculating the length. This is very important to understand, especially when you are working with data sets that is not necessarily clean, meaning that it can contain additional spaces. The next function we will look at is the find function, and this function works very similar to the left and the right function, but instead of extracting a specific amount of characters, it finds a specific character. You simply type the equal sign with the word find, and then you will add in the text that you want to find. Do remember that if you want to find a specific text, which is not a number, you have to put it between the double quotation marks. In this case, we will, for example, want to find a space in the name and the surname column. So we will put a double quotation mark, a space, and another double quotation mark. You can even find information such as specific numbers or specific letters, or even a word in the specific cell. This can be very useful again when combining functions with each other. After typing the text that you want to find, you have to then add a comma and select within which cell you want to find that specific text. In this case, we will choose the name and surname column in column D. Thereafter, it will require the start number where it will have to start counting from. Normally, you would want to start at the beginning of the data in the cell, so therefore you will type the number 1. Close bracket and press enter. In this case, we can see that the space is the 6th character in the name and surname column in cell D2. In a later video, we will look at examples of how you can combine these functions to make useful data sets. I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to like and subscribe.